everyone, and welcome back to another Weather with Sim forecast. And in today's forecast, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how the tropics are looking. We got a really interesting area to watch for, because if you look, we got an 80% chance in both the next 7 days and the 48 hours, guys. I think this is going to be going straight in between Bermuda and Mexico, and it's going to end up impacting Florida, because don't you guys remember what Hurricane Idalia did over here in the Panhandle, Florida? I feel like this is going to be doing a similar path as Idalia. So if this were to end up being a Category 3 hurricane again, this could be record breaking. So I just want to be honest with you guys. This is something we at least have to be watching for, but it would be better if this would not go towards Florida, so we'll have to really see how this turns out. But as we look at Tammy, we do have a Category 1 hurricane. That's what Tammy is right now. Not a very big wind pattern at all, very, very little tropical storm and hurricane area, so I mean, it's definitely not very concerning. But as this does die down to a tropical storm and starts moving to the west, this is where it gets concerning. Okay, so for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those are the days that this won't be very concerning. But as we get into Saturday, though, this is where it starts to be concerning, because it will start to impact Bermuda. Then this may have the potential to just go straight into the coast of the United States. But hopefully a cold front or a wind pattern will push it away back out to sea. So hopefully that's what happens, and we won't have to worry about those issues. So hopefully that's what happens. Hopefully we don't see impacts to the United States. And during my last video, guys, I did forget to show you that we did have a slight risk of flash flooding across Texas, guys. This is what's very concerning throughout the week, because if you look, we continue to see possible flash flooding throughout the week. Because if you look, this is going to be for today and into tomorrow. This is day 2 is going to be for tomorrow and into Wednesday. Day 3 is going to be from Wednesday and into Thursday, and then day 3 is going to be anywhere from Thursday into Friday. So I'm just going to be honest with you guys, this will be pretty alarming throughout the week. It's something to really keep an eye on, especially if you have any plans outdoors. Make sure you guys are keeping your eye on flash flooding throughout the week, especially if you live in central Texas, where we will be seeing the most slight risk is for excessive rainfall this week. So make sure you guys are being very aware of that. But we will go back to the tropics, because I do want to show you guys the Eastern Pacific. This is what's going to be impacting Mexico. This is what's going to be impacting Mexico. We do have a tropical storm watch in effect, so that's pretty surprising to see right there. But this will head into land as a tropical storm. We can't completely roll out a Category 1 hurricane, but we will have to see what this thing does as it gets into Mexico. So we will have to see what this will do. But as we do take a look at Norma, she already died down as a let's see, what is this called? I forgot. She did die down as a cyclone. I meant to say post as a tropical cyclone. And as we do take a look at her path, as you see, she's barely even gonna stay around, but she will go to towards the United States, which will bring a pattern change, which will bring a ton of severe weather and other things like that. So make sure you are being very aware of this. And yeah, I mean, definitely something to keep an eye on. But I got this little fly on here. So I'm really sorry I had that fly on my desktop. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I was trying to get it off. So if it looked weird, I apologize. So, but as we do take a look at how the tropical cyclones are going to be, as we do look at Tammy, as you do see, he already died down as a Category 1 hurricane. It will start to die down as a tropical storm, but I mean, this is definitely going to be pretty alarming, especially for how many tropical storms and as well as hurricanes we are already seeing this time of year. Because I mean, usually this time of year wouldn't be extremely active like this. Like, we are even already seeing a chance for development down here, and this will likely go straight up into the Gulf of Mexico. So I mean, this is very alarming. So we'll have to see what happens. But thank you guys very much for watching my YouTube channel again. I did see a few new subscribers, so thank you guys very much for subscribing to my channel. That got me up to 31 when I had at least 26, so thank you guys very much for doing that. I also saw that I did get a like on my video, so thank you guys very much for pressing that like button as well. I'm also hoping I do get that on the other videos I do, including this one, so thank you guys very much for doing that, and I will definitely do